Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a GMC Sierra headlight. First, let's gather our necessary tools. You'll need a ratchet with appropriate sockets, typically a 10mm, and a trim removal tool to carefully detach any plastic clips. Always have your new headlight assembly ready, ensuring it's the correct fit for your truck. Don't forget safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself during the process. Having everything prepared makes the job much smoother and quicker. Now that you have your tools, let's prepare your truck. Begin by parking your GMC Sierra on a flat, stable surface and ensure the engine is completely off. Pop the hood and identify the headlight assembly that needs replacing. You'll likely find some plastic trim pieces or a grille section that partially covers the headlight. Carefully use your trim removal tool to unclip these components, setting them aside in a safe place. This step provides clear access to the headlight mounting bolts. With access clear, it's time to remove the old headlight. You'll typically find 2 or 3 bolts securing the assembly. Use your 10mm socket to loosen and remove them. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the headlight forward to access the electrical connectors at the back. Carefully disconnect these by pressing the release tabs. Now, take your new headlight assembly, connect the electrical plugs, and slide it into its proper position. Reinstall all the mounting bolts securely. You're almost done. Once the new headlight is bolted in, carefully reattach any plastic trim pieces or grille sections you removed earlier. Make sure all clips and fasteners are secure. Now, turn on your truck and test the new headlight. Check both the low beams and high beams to ensure everything is working correctly. If needed, you might want to adjust the headlight's aim to ensure proper road illumination and avoid blinding oncoming drivers. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your GMC Sierra headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.